Looking for tools that make every job faster, easier, and more precise? From ratcheting wrenches and multifunction cable cutters to heavy-duty pliers, pallet busters, and pro-grade snips, we're breaking down 15 must-have tools that will upgrade your garage, save you time, and make every DIY or pro project a breeze. Don't miss the ultimate toolbox makeover.
The Dyson V9 Motorbar cordless vacuum delivers up to 40 minutes of fade-free power with a perfect balance of strength and lightweight design. Its motorbar cleaner head deep cleans all floors and detangles hair automatically, while the hair screw tool removes long hair and pet hair fast. With an LCD screen for real-time updates and a quick handheld conversion, it's built for whole home, car, and pet-friendly cleaning.
Today we're checking out the Crescent Tradesman Rolling Tool Bag, the ultimate mobile solution for organizing and transporting your tools. This rugged bag features smooth rolling wheels and a telescoping handle, so heavy gear moves easily across the shop or job site. With spacious compartments and durable construction, you'll have plenty of room for hand tools, power tools, and accessories, all protected and ready when you need them.
The Ring battery doorbell gives you 66% more vertical coverage with new head-to-toe video, making it easier to see people and packages at your door. With a built-in USB-C rechargeable battery, quick snap-in setup, live view with two-way talk, motion alerts, and smart notifications, you stay in control from anywhere. Works with Alexa for hands-free monitoring and added home or business security.
Today we're checking out the Bolt Biter Nut Extractor and Driver Set, a pro-level solution for stuck, rounded, or frozen fasteners that refuse to budge. This set uses a unique bolt biter gripping design that seats quickly and holds tight without cutting into the bolt, so you can remove or reuse damaged hardware with confidence. Built tough with impact-ready chrome moly steel and laser etch sizes, it's ideal for automotive, machinery, and DIY work.
The Ring Spotlight Cam Plus gives you wide-angle 1080p HD video with color night vision, motion-activated LED spotlights, and a built-in security siren to deter intruders fast. Customize motion zones, use two-way talk to speak to visitors, and power it easily with the quick-release battery pack. Works with Alexa for instant alerts, hands-free control, and smarter home or business protection.
Today we're checking out the Crescent Z2 Mixed Material Plier Set, a must-have for every toolbox. This set gives you versatile pliers with comfortable grips that handle everything from wires and bolts to stubborn fasteners. The mixed material construction boosts durability while reducing hand fatigue, so you can keep working without cramping up. Whether you're fixing stuff around the house or doing serious shop work, this set delivers dependable performance.
The Bissell Little Green Portable Cleaner delivers powerful deep cleaning for carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. Trusted by millions, it removes 100+ stains with its triple action formula that lifts messes and eliminates odors. With a large 48-oz tank, easy spray scrub suction action, and specialty tools, it cleans deeper than paper towels. Every purchase helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation.
Check out this compact powerhouse, the Klein 5-in-1 Cable Stripping Tool. It rips outer jacket on 12-214D NM cable, strips insulation on 12-14 AWG wires, and even has a built-in wire looping hole for prepping connections. The magnetic feature sticks to metal surfaces so you won't lose it on the job, and the bright orange design makes it easy to spot in your toolbox. For electricians and DIYers who want one multi-tool that does it all, this is a solid pick.
The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus delivers hands-free cleaning for up to 7-9 weeks with its 2.7L self-emptying dock. Its 1000 PA suction, dual anti-tangle brushes, and combined vacuum mop system remove dust, pet hair, and debris effortlessly. Powered by PresciSense LiDAR for precise home mapping, it's easily controlled through the Roborock app for scheduling, no-go zones, spot cleaning, and real-time monitoring.
Check out this affordable yet powerful wrench set from a 2-piece adjustable wrench kit, built to tackle nuts and bolts of all sizes. Designed with smooth jaws and precise adjustments, these wrenches grip tight and minimize slipping, making quick work of automotive, home improvement, or everyday tasks. The ergonomic handles give you solid leverage without hand fatigue, and the set covers multiple jobs without needing a full toolbox.
The Elabella 6-in-1 hot air styler delivers fast, versatile styling with a 110,000 RPM brushless motor for ultra-quick drying and less heat damage. Its auto-wrap curlers create effortless salon-quality curls, while multiple heat and speed modes suit any hair type. With negative ion tech for smooth, frizz-free shine and a quiet design, it includes a durable protective travel case for safe, easy styling anywhere.
Today we're checking out the Crescent dual material reach pliers, a versatile pair that helps you grab hard-to-reach nuts, bolts, and clips with confidence. The long, slim jaws get into tight spots other pliers can't reach, and the dual material handles give you comfortable grip and control. Whether you're under the hood, behind a dishwasher, or doing electrical work, these pliers are built to make tough jobs easier. Today we're checking out the Pallet Buster, a heavy-duty tool designed to break apart pallets, decks, and wooden crates with ease. Its rugged steel construction and long handles give you serious leverage, so you can rip boards apart without struggling or damaging the wood. Whether you're reclaiming lumber for DIY builds, cleaning up after deliveries, or working on projects in the shop, this tool makes demolition faster and safer. This Pallet Buster is a must-have. Today, we're checking out the Crescent 10-inch locking adjustable wrench, a rugged wrench that combines a traditional adjustable jaw with a locking feature to hold fasteners tight without slipping. The locking mechanism gives you serious grip and control when you're working on stubborn nuts and bolts, so you can focus on turning, not fighting the tool. Its durable build handles everyday jobs around the garage, shop, or job site. You don't need a bunch of different wrenches. Today, we're checking out the Crescent pulling pliers, a tough, reliable tool built to pull nails, staples, and fasteners without bending or breaking them. The long handles give you serious leverage, so you can grip and remove even stubborn nails with minimal effort. Durable construction means this pair can take the abuse of job site use, and the comfortable grips make long jobs easier on your hands. Whether you're remodeling, framing, or demoing, check out this compact powerhouse, the Pocket Cable Cutter, a tough little tool that delivers big performance in a small package. Designed to snip through soft copper and aluminum cable with clean, precise cuts, this cutter fits easily in your pocket or tool bag, making it perfect for electricians, technicians, and DIYers on the move. Its sharp, durable blades make fast work of cable cuts without fraying or crushing wires. Simple, reliable, and portable. Today we're checking out the WIS Metal Master M3R Snips, a heavy-duty cutting tool built to slice through sheet metal, vinyl, and other materials with precision. These straight-cut snips deliver clean cuts and smooth performance thanks to sharp blades and rugged construction. The ergonomic handles give you solid grip and control, so you can make long cuts without fatigue. Whether you're on the job site or working on DIY projects, these snips handle tough materials with ease. Today we're checking out the pulling pliers, a rugged puller built to remove nails, staples, and fasteners with serious leverage and control. These long-handled pliers give you the grip and power to yank stubborn nails without bending them, making demolition and remodeling tasks faster and easier. Comfortable grips help reduce hand fatigue, and the durable construction stands up to heavy use on the job site or in your garage. Simple, reliable, and effective. Today we're checking out the Crescent 5-piece locking plier set, a versatile lineup built for gripping, twisting, and locking in tight spaces. These curved, long-nose locking pliers give you serious reach and control when you're under the hood, in metalwork, or fixing stubborn fasteners. The locking action holds parts securely, so you can focus on the job, not fighting the tool. Comfortable handles and tough construction mean dependable performance for pros and DIYers alike. Today we're checking out the Crescent Compound Action Linesman Pliers, a heavy-duty plier built to handle cutting, gripping, twisting, and pulling with exceptional force. Thanks to the compound action design, more cutting power with less effort, making it ideal for tough electrical, mechanical, or construction tasks. The ergonomic handles give you comfort and control on long jobs, and the hardened jaws stay sharp through repeated use. Durable, versatile, and ready for serious work. Today we're checking out the adjustable ratcheting replaceable automotive wrench, a smart tool built for faster, easier wrenching. Its ratcheting action lets you tighten bolts without constantly repositioning, saving serious time in tight spaces. The adjustable head reaches awkward angles, making it perfect for automotive and DIY jobs. Plus, the replaceable design adds long-term value. It feels solid, efficient, and super practical for everyday garage work.
The Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 delivers 1500 watt power with a 3000 watt surge and a 1070 watt LifePour battery, all in a compact 23.8 Li design with a foldable handle. It fast charges from 0-100% in just 1 hour with the Jackery app and lasts over 10 years with 4,000 plus cycles. With multiple AC, USB-C, USB-A, and DC ports, plus smart app control, it's perfect for camping, emergencies, RVs, and off-grid power needs.